There he is.
I saw them. They're going east.
Yeah.
Well, today, Lynn returns.
Lynn. I got the frequency, by the way.
What is it?
It's 161-535.
535. You brought your scanner?
Yes.
Okay. We asked Lynn for the frequency, and literally all he said was 95.
95?
Channel 95.
They're going all the way.
Oh.
And there's a switcher.
What the hell's going on? They're too far away from the switch, though.
It's the Trackmobile.
That's not a Trackmobile, that's just a truck.
No, that's the track. There it is! There it is!
Oh. Oh, I see it.
They're moving.
It's sandwiched between the air slide and the DDG hopper.
The Trackmobile.
You want to get another video of him, like a better one?
I don't know.
The Ringneck ain't on duty until 9. It's going to take him longer to build the train.
Yeah. Sure, let's do it. They switched them around. I don't know. The Dash 9 was in the middle yesterday.
Really?
Yeah. And the Tier 4 was in the front.
What the hell? What the hell? Up there they go. First train of the day, your thoughts?
It was Edge.
What the When I filmed that grain train a year ago out of Kennebec, it literally took me all day to chase it.
Yeah.
I had to stop the chase in White Lake because I was ready to go home.
Yeah.
And they worked Kimball, so that took even longer. Then they stopped outside White Lake for no reason, like a smoke break or something.
What the is that? It's not bacon. Cassie was working all day yesterday.
Really? You talked to her?
Yeah.
What'd you have to say?
Well, I didn't talk to her yesterday. I talked to her on Monday. She was mad at Chris.
Oh yeah, why do they have beef again?
Because Chris didn't make pizzas, and now all the doughs are frozen for lunch.
Oh. Yeah, Chris Lee just wanders around. He only makes pizzas when we're coming. Is this I swear I filled up on gas. I put the nozzle in, I triggered it, it should have come out. Were they out or something? They're out of gas.
Are you? How the?
We're going to the St. Clair and Parker. Dude, this is actual bull. This has never happened to me before. Well, we're still in Parker, and it's 12 minutes to the Ringneck being on duty.
We'll make it.
We will. We will find them. But this is a stupid start to our day so far.
Yeah, it is. This is probably one of the worst starts since, I don't know.
We would have been halfway to Humboldt right now if I actually got the gas.
Yeah.
We're between Plankinton almost to White Lake. I think I see something. That might actually be them.
We'll find out.
The loneliest highway ever. But hey, that might actually be them.
Yeah. I see a light or
hell's going on? Dude, what is that?
What the is that?
That's nothing. Yeah, they're just doing nothing.
Maintenance. They're going towards Mitchell.
Yeah, they are. We're in Kimball. I completely forgot about the DDA-40X that's sitting there. We got to get a shot of that.
Okay.
Alright, we're going back towards Plankinton after going to Pequanna. Lynn just said...
Lynn's all the way to Mitchell still.
South Yard Mitchell. They never left!
We're hunting him down.
We're f***ing going back. Also, you asked him where they were an hour ago.
Yeah.
And he just now responded. They're still in Mitchell. What are they doing? They were on duty at 9. They should have left a long time ago.
Duty's on duty.
Shut up. What about him?
He's a dick.
You can't stop asking what the power is. We don't even know what the power is. Oh, look to your right.
What?
The storm's developing.
Oh.
Why'd you look to your left when I said look right?
Okay, I don't know what was going on.
Crack. Back to the highway. We're just out of Plankinton.
Diego was typing.
There was no chum bucket there. We have to see what's in Mount Vernon. There's going to be nothing in Betts, so we might have to end up in Mitchell.
Are you serious? In Kimball, there's a UP DDA 40 sitting along 90. If you haven't seen that already.
We already saw that. Send him a picture.
I'm sending him every picture I have.
Okay.
Hell yeah, it's so random too, like, that's literally it.
He's gonna react to a heart.
Also, Ozark Valley unit there too. You just put a thumbs up.
He gives me hearts. He gives you thumbs ups. Why?
No, he gives me hearts. He's just been giving me... Okay, well this one's different. This one's
what the?
He's giving me a heart for, like, I'll ask engineer Tim Smith.
Heart.
Heart. Fart. And then D&I still owned it, I think. They've been around since the 80s and 90s. And he goes,
It's not even that shocking.
WAMX 1054. Is that Ozark Valley? That's not Ozark Valley.
Tell him it's dark blue and orange. That's what it is. That's what it is.
That's it.
Yeah.
And then he goes, which one of these if it's on there?
I guess it doesn't really matter. Oh, it's in Brian.
What the
What the
Based on what the site says, 3021 possibly yet.
Possibly. Now, off, Diego. I need Lynn Dickless.
Alright, go back to him. Just react to a heart on every single one of his messages.
No. Boom. Boom.
You are.
Boom. Oh, I just hearted my own.
You love your own? You love yourself? Alright, something is happening.
Yeah. Telepathy's actually dying right now.
We're back in Mitchell, folks. We're gonna get our lunch right now. And your back hurts because you're 40 years old.
I'm not 40.
Well, you f***ed up. What'd you do?
I put in your number as 7, not 4. And I sent butt crack as a message.
You said butt crack to an absolute stranger who could live anywhere here. To some random person in South Dakota. No response. You're lucky.
Crispy Dickens sandwich. Penis.
Let's see. You think it's going to be, better not be depressing.
Not as pressing as
The one in
whatever.
Missouri Valley.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a chicken sandwich.
It's a normal chicken sandwich.
Well, your thoughts?
It's good.
Hey, good.
Found them.
We found our one and only Ringneck.
Ringneck man. I got a message. Yes, North Yard, then back to South Yard, then spot GPI. That was 2 minutes ago. I don't know what the GPI is.
GPI, that's graphic packaging.
Ah. We found them.
Yeah, we did.
So they're gonna be moving back to the South Yard.
Yeah, you're working on that out-of-service track up there, correct? Okay, the Chiefs want to call that Mit that they tried to run yesterday. Do you have any idea when that track might be back in service, over?
I don't know what's going on.
It's called Lynn Broke It.
Well, they're right there. Show them the picture.
Okay. Hold on.
Yep. So they're right there. They're still switching.
It's 10:54 or whatever.
Was that?
I'm not sure.
I think I heard South Yard. Maybe they're departing? Because that's the North Yard.
Yeah.
You asked him when he thinks they'll be departing?
Yeah.
Hopefully we get a response. Oh, they're right here.
We found him.
Where's our hats?
Where's our hats? Where's the hats? Dude, that horn is loud.
It is.
It's so loud.
It was rumbling the ground. I guess let's go to South Yard. Ask him where our hats are.
I hear him.
Yeah.
Tootin'.
If they go back to graphic packaging, we need a shot of the tunnel motor leading.
Yes.
That's going to be so awesome.
All right, let's go.
Yeah!
It's actually
Yep. Folks!
They're going towards Mitchell, so. What kind of train? And here comes Jace.
In Bridgewater, there's a train going west on the Mitchell subdivision with the KCS.
It's DDG.
I take it the KCS is trailing?
I am not sure.
Probably is.
It's a D Mexico unit. Oh, here comes a video. Shut the off.
What the was
What
that?
What the
That was actually up.
Right here would actually be a good shot. With that.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I heard bells ringing and he spawned in.
Yeah.
BNSF Jevo and a Dash 9. Where's the KCS? Oh, you dumbass. What the
What?
It's 3830. It's the power move from this morning.
What the what's the KCS doing? Was there even a KCS?
No, there is. Which one is it, though?
What the Where did they get the KCS from?
It's 4869. But it's 3830, 4572, and then the KCS, and then the DPU is the 7746.
Where did they go?
And Jace died. What the
Wait, they might have gone to Worthing?
I am. And here's Jace being a tard. What the
Dude, what the
What the
There they are.
See him.
I looked, didn't see any. I'll get you guys some. When?
Lynn flipped me off.
What the
I got it on camera too. Hold on. I got a picture of it. Right here. This is an awesome photo.
What the Wait, hang on. Dude!
What the
Talk about anger issues. Yeah, my side threw me up a deuce. So
Really?
I was lucky.
And then I started laughing and he started laughing.
I'm the lucky man.
You didn't get flipped off by Lynn Allen Ekman. Now they're stopped.
No. I got respect from Hunter.
Tunnel motor.
New mission. Catch this BNSF train.
Yes.
There, I'll get you into town and just bring it up to the length crossing and tie it down.
The length crossing. He says not sure.
Well, I'll put one in. That counts, right?
The length crossing.
There you go. Yeah, Jeffrey Carroll is your driver.
They're tying down to some crossing. I don't know.
I think everybody does head where that.
That wasn't a Mexican KCS unit. It said KCS lines. Not D-Mexico. The Cleggets are dumb.
I know they are.
So, I think we should go home now.
Okay.
Dude, what the is happening? Is this his property or something? Oh yeah, he's looking for me.
Oh God.
No. I just parked here because I was having some issues. I'm good now.
Okay. You need a psychologist?
Nope. I'm good.
Okay. What about him?
He's good too.
Oh, he's not an issue.
No.
Okay.
Have a good one.
Look at this asshole right here. Check out this bull Lynn dickhead. Asshole! Asshole! He just and then he gets to escape for free.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah.
Just coming out of Mitchell.
Come back to Mitchell. Where you at, Mitchell? I got a couple boxes for you, too.
Okay.
Where you at?
We're
Coming up on Alexandria.
coming up on Alexandria.
You guys want to come back?
If you want us to.
Well, I got 2 boxes for the new hires. I think there's hats in those boxes. It's up to you guys. I'll see you guys later.
Whoa.
Okay. We'll be headed back then.
Yeah.
I'll meet you out at Walmart, or where do you want me at? Over at Walmart or something, maybe?
Yeah, probably at Walmart. That'd be easy.
Okay, I'll see you there.
Okay, see ya.
All right.
Bye.
Walmart.
Dude,
Lynn.
he's got presents for us. It's probably going to be a bomb.
Just beep, 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 beep. What the f*** is that noise? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
But we got to take it to the Cleggets' house. It's their problem now.
Just plant it at the door, ring the doorbell, drive off.
You know?
Hello?
There he is. There he is. What the f***? You want me to bring my truck over there?
No. We'll be fine.
He's all the way. You know what? F*** it.
There he is.
Yeah?
Alright.
I know what's under there. You can open them up. There should be hats, like a water jug and probably a can.
Yeah. All right.
Open it up.
All right, then let's go.
Did you guys have fun today?
Oh, yeah, we did. What's with the finger?
Just because.
Watch go.
There you go. I'll try and get you some with ringneck on it, but
Is it the same in the other one?
it should be.
Let's find out.
It should be. You didn't get them for me, though. Should say anything.
Yep, it is.
Yep. A little something.
Yep. Thank you, man.
You guys are good. Don't worry.
All right. Have a good one.
What's your number?
60. Why do you want to know?
I don't want to know.
You just want to know?
Just want to know. Just in case.
Well, you have me on Facebook.
Okay, then fine. I won't see no pretty pictures of you.
All right. It's 6.
Hold on. Thanks, guys.
All right. You're welcome. Have a good one.
There he goes.
There you go.
There he goes. No, there it is.
All right. I guess say goodbye to the vlog.
Why?
Because we're done. We have nothing else to do.
Yeah.
So, are you going to say bye or not?
I did. Bye.
You said why.
Bye.
Okay. There we go.